everyone, this is Olga and you are watching Fancy Cocktails. The secret of a great cocktail is fresh fruit and a good quality liquor. And today we are making Fancy Margarita. It was 3 simple ingredients: tequila, orange liqueur, and freshly squeezed lime juice. For your tequila you want to use 100% blue agave, which means pure, no hangovers and better taste. Today I'm going to use this great tequila, Don Julio 1942. This tequila is very smooth, very flavorful, and it's got that brilliant golden color. So I'm going to use 1 ounce of our fancy tequila. For the orange liqueur, I prefer to use Grand Marnier versus Cointreau. Those two are your top shelf orange liqueurs. They are very similar. The difference is Grand Marnier is made with brandy and triple sec, and Cointreau is straight up triple sec. I personally like to use Grand Marnier because it's a little sweeter, and we want to bring that sweetness to our cocktail since we're not going to use any simple syrup or sugary sweet and sour mix. So we're going to use 1 ounce of Grand Marnier and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Make sure it's freshly squeezed, none of those ready-to-use juices you can buy in a grocery store. Your drink is not going to be the same, trust me. The fresher the juice, the better. And 1 lime will give you about 1 ounce of juice. Margarita is often served with the salt, and I'm going to show you a simple trick how to do it. Just rub the rim of the glass with the wedge of lime to make the salt stick to it. And don't just dip it into the salt, try to rotate your glass so the salt won't get inside of the glass, because we don't want our drink to be salty. Just like that. We're going to add some fresh ice. And make sure you always add your ice last into your cocktail before you shake it, so it won't start melting and dilute the drink, because ice start melting really fast, trust me. After you add your ice, close your shaker and vigorously shake it until the frost forms on your shake. Then strain your cocktail over fresh ice. Look at that beautiful golden color. And the last thing we're going to do is garnish it with a nice lime roll. And now let's get to the best part of it. Let's try it. And let's try it again. Oh my god. This margarita is so refreshing and so flavorful. I wish you could try it right now. And let me tell you something. You might spend a little bit more money on a top shelf liquor, but I guarantee you, just 1 drink will already put you in that relaxed, happy mood, because that's what good liquor does. If you like my recipe, please comment below. If you have any recipes to share with me, please do. I would like to try your recipe. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. You've been watching Fancy Cocktails with Olga. Drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.